Hello, very good day to you. The weather will be a bit mixed this week. At times it could be a bit cool, a bit breezy, and there will be some rain around too. But for the time being, at least towards the southeast, we have some relatively fine weather through today and some high humidity and some warmth with it as well. But there's this front lying across the UK. This is pushing its way southeastwards, bringing some rain and also something a bit fresher from the northwest as we go through the next 24 hours. So many of us likely to see a bit of rain for a time. That clears through, then showers coming in from the northwest on Wednesday before various systems come in from the west as we go through Thursday into Friday. So most of us will see some rain at times. Notice as well how tightly packed those isobars are. It is going to be a bit breezy as we go towards the end of the week, and with that, that will add to the relatively cool feel to things. But first, let's look at the rest of today. And as I said, towards the southeast, a largely dry picture, some bright sunny spells. But we have this front lying across parts of Scotland, northwest England, and down the western fringe of Wales as well. And this could bring some further heavy spells of rain for a time. Perhaps the heaviest rain will be over parts of northwest England, over Cumbria. We could see 50 to 60 millimetres of rain building up through today. But because the ground's relatively dry, there shouldn't cause many issues. The greatest chance of impacts will be across parts of the Borders area, Dumfries, Galloway. Here we could see around 40 millimetres today, and that could lead to a bit of localised flooding. Temperatures are still going to be on the high side towards the southeast. In fact, across some parts of eastern England, it's going to be a little bit hotter than it was yesterday. Highs around 25 or 26 Celsius and quite humid here still as well. But behind the front towards the northwest of the UK, it is going to be that little bit fresher. That front then does continue its progress east-southeastwards as we go through this evening and overnight. So rain pushing into more parts of northern England, Wales, southwest England, and then later the rain will push into parts of the Midlands and central southern England too. Ahead of this, towards the east-southeast, it is going to stay dry with some clear skies. Quite a warm, humid night here. But towards the northwest, even though we have some clearer skies coming in, here it is going to be largely dry, and we are going to see temperatures dropping a little bit lower, and so could just about get into single figures here. Now, first thing tomorrow morning, do watch out for some heavy bursts of rain in association with this front across parts of the Midlands into eastern England, maybe central southern England too, as that rain weakens through the day, pushing later on towards East Anglia and Kent before clearing away. Behind it, some bright sunny skies developing for many places, but also quite a few showers, particularly across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland. Here the showers could be quite frequent and some heavy ones are quite likely as well. In the east, especially ahead of that front before it clears away, still some relatively high temperatures, mid-20s again, but elsewhere a slightly fresher feel to things with that fresher air coming in behind that front. Now, as we go through later on this week, like I said, there is some changeable weather to come. So at the moment, Wednesday's looking a bit cool and a bit showery. The heaviest, most frequent showers towards the northwest of the UK. And then we have those fronts coming through on Thursday and Friday. So most of us will see a bit of rain at times, and it is going to be a little bit breezy too. Alex Deacon will have more information about the weather we can expect through this week ahead. So do find that information on our YouTube channel later on this afternoon. Bye-bye.